So actually students, these are the short answer questions. You have to answer these questions in as many few words as possible, and actually in maximum one or two sentences. You can take three sentences probably, but in simple words, these are the short answer questions that you have to answer. So students, the first question is actually, how old was Evelyn when she went to the Royal Academy of Music? So, the student, you read in the story, you saw in the text in the chapter that Evelyn was actually 17 years old when she went to Royal London Music Academy, Royal Academy of Music of London. So actually you have to answer these questions in a few words or probably from one or two sentences. So you can write directly 17 years old also, but you can also write in full sentences as Evelyn Gilney was 17 years old when she went to Royal London Music Academy, Royal Academy of Music. So you can write in full sentence also, but you can directly write 17 years old also. In both those cases, you will get the full marks, because the instruction is such that you have to answer only in few words or in a sentence, and the question are also such that you need not to stretch this. Students, question number 2 is, when was her deafness first noticed? When was it confirmed? So actually you saw in the story that Evelyn Gilney's deafness was first noticed when she was 8 years old, and it was confirmed when she was 11 years old, by her age of 11. So actually you would write in full sentence that her deafness was first noticed when she was actually 8 years old, but it was confirmed when she was 11 years old. In these type of questions, as I was telling you in previous question, you have to keep everything simple. The simple question and simple answer, a simple answer for a simple question. That's what you have to stick with. You do not try to spice the things up. You just keep it simple and just write how it has been instructed, and as it is said in examination also, just follow all the instructions given on question paper. So actually student, with this the part 1 of this question answer has completed. Now we will see the next two questions, in which you would have to answer in which you have to answer in 30 to 40 words. So those are actually the slightly short answer questions. This was only one liners, answer in one word or one sentences, but now we will answer the questions of short answer question of few sentences, 3 to 4 sentences, and then we will see the long answer questions actually. Now the part 2 of the questions, students, are actually the short answer questions. We have to answer these questions in 30 to 40 words actually. The first question is, who helped her to continue with music? What did he do and say? Students, you are seeing in the question that in the question the pronoun is in a singular number of third person, he. So you have to answer about a person actually who helped her, and you saw in the story that it was actually Ron Forbes, the protagonist, helped her to learn the music. Actually students, it was as you in the question, the he word has been used, so you have to, and you guessed who should be the answer. It was the Ron Fox who was the protagonist. He actually ultimately helped her to learn the music. And what did he do actually to make her learn? So actually you would write the full answer in this way. Ron Forbes actually helped the Evelyn Gilney to continue her music, and he actually said that she should feel the vibration of music instead of listening it. As she was a deaf, she could not hear, but we can still feel the sound, and that is why Ron Forbes was actually a very sophisticated person. He understood everything, so he in a very convenient way made her understand how she should learn. He actually told her to feel the music as she could not hear, and then Actually, you would write it was actually the percussionist Ron Forbes helped Evelyn Glennie in learning the music, and he actually did what? He actually used to beat two drum to produce understand and just feel the vibration of the sound and learn the music. This was the best way that one could teach Evelyn Glennie the music and what the dreams he wants to achieve actually of becoming a percussionist.